Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a coupon code in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here. And in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you're not already, go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started creating coupon codes. First things first, we're going to open up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. This is going to go ahead and enable us to start a new store if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can go ahead and manage it from here. So now you have opened the WooCommerce, we can get started. So here at the official WooCommerce.com website we have an article showing us how to create coupons with WooCommerce, and this is what we can do. Basically guys, what we're going to do is go into marketing and then coupons. So once you open up the WooCommerce option right here, this is going to go ahead and enable you to access the marketing sections that you'll be able to find. Currently I don't have a store, but if you open it up right here, go into settings and marketing, there you can click coupons and add coupon, and then guys you can go ahead and enter in the coupon into your options right here. You can enter in how it goes and what code you want to use as the coupon that people will be then able to use in your checkout page for your products, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.